There's another good one. EPAuto air filter for my 2013 Optima. I've been using these for years. They work great. Do not waste your money at the dealership or the parts store. Get these right here. They work awesome. I've been using them for years. Save yourself some money. And again, this is not hard to do. So this is how it looks. Packaged in plastic. Simple. Again, I'm going to take that off. All right. First, you want to loosen this hose here. This clamp, C-clamp. I don't know if it's called C-clamp, but you're going to loosen it up so you can get this off. Take that off. Take these two clamps off. Lift this out. All right. Once that's off, some of these will come off, but you unclamp this, you open it up as wide as you can. Some of them come off, but just slide the old one out. Get rid of that. Slide the new one in. Of course, you want to vacuum out any debris in there. So there's a little bit in there. I'm going to vacuum it out real quick. All right, now that I've vacuumed that out, I'll slide it back in. Make sure that the seal's on there right good. Make sure it's on there all the way around. Put this back in place. Pop the seals. Put this back on. Make sure it's on good all the way. Tighten it back up like so. Again, make sure that's sealed tight on there. And then that's it. That's all you do to it. It's done. And you saved a bunch of money.